Mohammad Ahid. I read in class 8. My topic is global warming.
I explain it through model by following introduction, definition, examples, factor effecting, reasons, reduce, disadvantages.
Global warming. Global warming is the unusual, rapid increase in Earth's average surface temperature over the past century, primarily due to the greenhouse gases released by people burning fossil fuels.
Global warming refers to the long-term increase in the Earth's average surface temperature due to the human activities, particularly the release of greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. These gases trap heat in the atmosphere. A phenomenon is known as greenhouse effect.
Example of the global warming: rising sea level, extreme weather events, change in ecosystem, melting ice and snow, wind sector. These examples highlight the wind sector and interconnected of a global impact of a global warming and natural ecosystem, human societies, economies.
Factor effecting of global warming. Greenhouse gas emit carbon dioxide and methane. Deforestation, industrial activities, waste management, agriculture and fossil fuel combustion.
Generating power, generating electricity and heat by burning fossil fuels causes a large chunk of global emission. Cutting down forests, using transportation, products, foods, manufacturing goods.
Reduce global warming, reduce greenhouse emission, planting trees, reduce water waste, global cooperation, sustainable agriculture.
Disadvantages of global warming. Due to global warming, the temperature of the earth increases and cause dehydration, deforestation and crop failures.
Have made their progress. The total building, industries, vehicles, computer, AC, TV, and refrigerator. We made some amazing invention, but all of these require great amount of energy, and we get this energy by burning fossil like oil, petroleum, and natural gas.
Carbon is the backbone of life on Earth. Carbon flows between each reservoir in an exchange called the carbon cycle, which has slow and fast components. It is so significant that so much carbon dioxide stays in the atmosphere because carbon dioxide is the most important gas for controlling Earth's temperature. Factories and automobiles are emitting smoke into the atmosphere. When human beings respire, then they exhale carbon dioxide and inhale oxygen. This respiration process is taken place into the plants. Then this process is known as photosynthesis. Animals cannot make their own food. They get their food from plants.
Carbon cycle. Carbon is the mother of animal. It is backbone of bioanimal sources. Carbon is the source of fossil fuel. It is in dissolved form.
Percentage of carbon. 21% occur in dissolved form. 79% occur in gaseous form.
Firstly, atmospheric carbon dioxide is converted into the form of carbonates in water. After converting in carbonates in water, it converts into limestones. Carbon dioxide use plants and make organic compounds. When plants after death contain its coal, after our formation of petroleum. Organic compound which makes plants use animals and form organic compounds. These plants release carbon dioxide at night and enter the atmosphere. After death, animal body is converted into inorganic carbonate shells. And as you know, animal also die, then their dead bodies is converted into petroleum. and animal by the process of respiration, which is further returned to the atmosphere.
Parts of plant, root, I am root, I am the underground part of plant. Stem, I am stem, I am the lower part of plant. Leaf, I am leaf, I am a food for plant. Fruit, I am fruit, I extract seed and allow plant to reproduce. I am plant, part of plant. Root, I am root. Stem, I am stem. Leaf, I am leaf. Fruit, I am fruit. I am plant. Parts of plant. Fruit, I am fruit. Stem, I am stem.